Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're starting by removing the worn cushion. Do this now. Power off and set the headset on a soft, flat surface, then locate the seam between the cushion and cup. Use your thumb to pry the cushion away from the retainer ring while steadying the cup with your other hand. Pull evenly around the circumference to avoid tearing. Once done, inspect the foam and inner lip for adhesive residue or a bent retainer clip so you know what to clean before fitting the new cushion. Next, clean and prep the ear cup so the new cushion seats reliably. Use a lint-free cloth dampened with 70% isopropyl to remove oils and old adhesive. Don't soak the electronics. Inspect the plastic retainer ring. If it's cracked or warped, swap it now because it secures the cushion. Once clean, orient the replacement cushion's inner groove and the foam seem to match the original position. This prevents twisting and keeps the speaker centered when you start fitting it into the lip. Now install the new cushion and verify performance. Begin by tucking one section of the cushion's inner lip under the cup rim, then rotate and press the rest around in 1/4 turns to maintain even tension. You should hear a soft snap as it seats. Once fitted, power on and play a familiar track at low volume to confirm seal, stereo balance, and bass response. If sound is muffled or fit is uneven, remove and reseat the cushion, or swap a damaged retainer ring. That usually fixes a...
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.